You wake up one morning, something is different. You look out the window, the sky is pitch black, there's no sunrise, no glow on the horizon. The sun is gone, in its place is an empty void, a black hole. Panic sets in. The world as we know it has ended. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? To have our star, the giver of life, snuffed out in an instant. But what would actually happen if the sun were to suddenly become a black hole? The answer might surprise you. It wouldn't be the instant doomsday scenario you might expect. Here's the thing about black holes. They're not cosmic vacuum cleaners. They're regions of extreme gravity, yes, but they don't suck in everything around them. If the sun were to become a black hole, its mass would remain the same. This is crucial. It means Earth's orbit wouldn't change. We wouldn't be dragged towards our doom. We'd still be circling an object with the same gravitational pull, just one that's invisible to the human eye. The only difference? No more sunlight. And that's where the real problem lies. Without the sun's energy, Earth would become a very different place, very quickly. The temperature would plummet. Within a year, the average surface temperature could drop to a frigid -73 degrees Celsius. Oceans would freeze over, starting from the poles and creeping inwards. Most life as we know it would vanish. Plants would wither, unable to photosynthesize. Animals, deprived of food and warmth, would perish. However, deep beneath the frozen oceans, near hydrothermal vents, some microbial life might endure. These hardy organisms thrive on geothermal energy, not sunlight, a tiny flicker of life in a frozen world. Section 4. A Glimmer of Hope. Could humans survive? It would be a monumental challenge, but not impossible. We might construct underground bunkers, powered by nuclear energy. We could rely on geothermal energy too, tapping into the Earth's internal heat. Food could be grown in hydroponic farms, lit by artificial light. And then there's the possibility, however distant, of interstellar travel. Could we develop the technology to reach another star system, a new home? It would take centuries, even millennia, to achieve such a feat, but it's a glimmer of hope in an otherwise bleak future. Section 5. The sun's vital embrace. The hypothetical scenario of the sun becoming a black hole, though unlikely, serves as a powerful reminder. It underscores our absolute dependence on our star. The sun is more than just a bright light in the sky, it's the very source of our existence. Understanding these cosmic possibilities, however improbable, allows us to appreciate the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. It reminds us to cherish the warmth of the sun, a warmth we so often take for granted.